Hilo doesn't seem to care. Oh, ouch! Okay, now he kind of cares.
Give you your house key. Let go in your house if you want to leave. Get rid of him. You want to go away?
He doesn't want him to go away. He's having as much fun as Phantom is. Otherwise, he'd stay at the end where Phantom can't get to him.
There you go.
No, he just licked him.